Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change Google Chrome size tabs. So very simple and easy way. Here type Chrome semicolon or column and flex this one. So select it. Now here type tab, scrolling. Now here type tab, scrolling. This one. Now here in default you can select any option. Enable tab shrink to pinned tab width, tab shrink to a medium width, and tab shrink to a large width. So you can select any option here. Then just you have to click on relaunch. So select your desired setting. So thanks for watching guys. Comment in this video useful for you, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.